In this video, I'm going to show you 5 key steps for starting an online affiliate marketing business that can generate 6 figures or more. So guys, welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Rod, and if you're brand new to this channel, consider subscribing. And while you're at it, smash that like button so that we can spread this message to more people. Thank you. All right, let's get down to business. In this video, I want to walk you through and talk to you about how do you start an online affiliate marketing business that will give you the best shot, the best chance, the best potential of generating 6 figures or more in 1 year. How is it possible? Well, there are 5 key strategic, very important steps that we need to discuss that I don't see a lot of people talking about. If you are to build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business, why should you listen to me? Well, I'm somebody who started out with not having much to my name and was able to build an affiliate marketing business that was generating at least $10,000 per month consistently, simply by selling other people's products. And on this channel, my intention is to provide you with ideas, information, and strategies that can help you move the needle in your business. So what do you do? And how do you do this right? Friend, if you're looking to generate income on the internet, in my opinion, affiliate marketing is hands down the lowest hanging fruit. We can collaborate with other companies in which we don't have to create those products. We don't have to customer service people. We don't have to have a big office or a big staff or a big overhead. We don't have to be an expert. We don't have to be like this guru or whatever. We don't have to be this big, super huge influencer. It's not necessary. But if done properly, you could build yourself a 6-figure or more business simply by being an independent affiliate, collaborating with other companies that already deliver products, and you could just make money in the middle. But what you would hear in this industry are a lot of talk about go to Amazon or go to ClickBank and grab yourself an affiliate link, start driving traffic, and most people fail before they even start. So I'm going to tell you how to do it right. And this is the kind of stuff I've applied in my business, and it completely helped change my life as an affiliate entrepreneur. If you have more money coming into you, then you could probably change your zip code, you could probably change your car, and you could be a lot more happier if you have a lot more money coming your way. So my friend, let's talk about the 5 strategic steps for starting an online business that can generate 6 figures or a whole lot more. Step number 1, you've got to think bigger. Think big. That's literally step number 1. This is what I mean. Before you even talk about what products you're going to be promoting, what website you're going to be building, what traffic tactics, which is a lot of noise out there, I want you to get very, very, very clear on what do you want to build. Do you want to build a skyscraper that has 100 stories, or do you want to build a single family home? Or do you want to build some kind of shack? What do you want to build? You see, most people, they fail before they even start because of this approach. So my recommendation, my suggestion to you is to think big before you even do anything. It will be best for you to start thinking big as a skyscraper, so to speak, instead of like a shack. Most people fail before they start simply because they're thinking in terms of a shack. And basically, this kind of thinking is saying, go to Amazon Associates, grab your affiliate link, start driving traffic. And my friend, that's garbage advice. You will never be successful. You will never build a business. You will never have a real deal affiliate marketing business doing this kind of stuff. So here's how I approach marketing. This is how I built my affiliate marketing business, simply by promoting other people's product as an affiliate. You have to think like a skyscraper. As an independent affiliate, if you're just starting out, you want money coming to you from all over the place. You want what we call multiple streams of income. You want money to come from this company, from this company, from this company. You get what I'm saying? If you want to know how to do this, then continue watching this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to structure it. And it's very important, and not a lot of people talking about it. You want to have multiple streams of income coming to you. Now, you don't want to run multiple campaigns necessarily. And I'll explain to you what I mean, but you want multiple companies or multiple products or multiple offers paying you money, and all that has one thing in common. All that money flows into your business, into your bank account. How you structure it, your strategy, and your positioning in the marketplace is going to be the most important step. And that is this. When you think about the skyscraper, watch before you build a skyscraper. How would you think, and where would it be? Would it be in Chicago? Would it be local, right? Location is what industry you're going to be in, what niche, all right? So in what niche are you going to be playing in? If you're going to be building an affiliate marketing business with multiple streams of income, you want to identify what do you want to do. Whatever you're passionate about. There are companies that are looking to collaborate all the time. Remember to think like a skyscraper. Every single skyscraper, when you go to any state or any country, has a single high-rise, have a couple things in common. They have multiple tenants that pay them. What's on the bottom floor of every skyscraper? Usually, you're going to find stores like Foot Locker, GameStop, JCPenney, Macy's, and these stores are paying and renting money, multiple flows of income. I don't want to own the product. I don't want to create the product. I don't want to create the store merchandise. I just want to have the building that owns the tenants. So that's my approach when building my business as an independent affiliate entrepreneur. So step number one is to think big. Maybe this doesn't make much sense right now, but stick with me. We're going to go on this journey together. I'm going to promise you it's going to make a lot more sense. Before we go to step number two, if you're following this channel, if you are a subscriber of this channel, of Doug Webb, right? I'm taking a brand new company. So these are literally steps that I take. I'm going to show you and walk you through in this video, all right, that I'm applying to taking a brand new entity called DougWell.com that I just registered at the time of me recording this video. And I'm literally setting myself up for this company to do 6 figures or more as an affiliate, collaborating with other companies. So step number one, as a great example, DougWell.com, I opened up that site. I'm not sure if it's open at the time you're watching this, but DougWell.com, you can check that out in real time, okay? All right, step number two is this. Identify what do you want your business to be known for. Well, some say, I want to be in dog training. I want to be in real estate business. I want to be advice selling business, and another money management business. You name it. Whatever your industry or niche is going to be, whatever you're going to be passionate and crazy about, align yourself with that. All right. Second thing, you want to make sure you register a domain. So give your skyscraper, before it exists, before you build it, give it a name. All right, every single skyscraper usually has a name. So what is your brand going to be? See, most people fail in affiliate marketing because they don't look at what they're doing as a business. They're looking at it like, how can I make a quick 20 bucks? And that's why most people fail, because they don't think like a business. They think transactionally. Affiliate entrepreneurs that are uber successful, when they think in terms of building a skyscraper, they think like a business. So every single business that you know has a name, right? What is your business going to be called? So pick up a domain, domain.com. You're going to register the domain before you do anything, before you start advertising, spending money, promote any program. You want to have a domain that will give you a stake in the ground in the industry. Makes sense to have a domain in the industry that you're going to serve. Grab yourself a domain. I preferably say a .com or .net is okay. Whatever you want, but my preference will be .com. That domain will be your home on the internet. Your domain will be the skyscraper. You're going to give it a name. It's going to be registered. Got it? Step number 3 is that you need to create some sort of entity. It would be crazy for you to think that if you were to build a real skyscraper in a real world and wouldn't run it separate from you, it wouldn't be a good idea to think like that. So why would you start a business, even if it's an affiliate marketing business? Why would you not register it as a separate entity? It gives you tax advantages. Now, if you're registered as an LLC, although I don't want to give you legal advice here because I'm not a lawyer, but you want to separate that business from you personally, it gives you protection legally. And also, now that you have an entity, let's say it's going to be an LLC. If you're in another country, just find out however you want to register it, but you want to have a business stands on its own, separate from you. Okay? Tax advantages, number 1. What everybody's like talking about, well, do affiliate marketing, you just gotta pick a product from Amazon Associates or ClickBank and just start driving traffic. If you're not running properly, you cannot write that off. Those expenses cannot be written off because people are mixing their stuff together and they're digging themselves deeper in debt and nasty situations that they don't want to be in. So register a domain, an LLC. Step number 4, open up a business bank account for your business. You want to make sure mix funds. You want a clean business. You don't want to have personal and business all tossed up into one box together, and then you don't know which funds are which, and you gotta buy bread for your family over here, and you gotta run ads for your business over there, and everything is in one bank account. Crazy, it's a nightmare. It's gonna drive you crazy. You don't want the tax man to come after you because you messed everything up. Okay, so it's very, very, very important to open up a business bank account for your LLC. You will have a clean business. Now, here's what's gonna happen, because everything now is business related. Tax advantages is very, very, very important. All right. Now, you have an LLC. Step number 5. You're going to build a hub. You're going to create yourself a hub. Okay. What do you suppose a hub is? Well, a hub is something like this. If you think of yourself as a business, and you should think of yourself as a skyscraper. A skyscraper is metaphorically a hub. This is a place where people can come to congregate. If you go to any skyscraper like the Trump Tower in New York, the big one that everybody knows and talks about, it's got a lot of tenants. So when you have a hub, you can have people coming in. People can be shopping and they can check different things that this hub offers, and then they buy. You can get a cut from all the transaction when you run it like this. Another way you can think of a hub is think of yourself as an island. If an island is you, yourhub.com, or whatever your domain name is going to be for that business. And so now what you want is when people are like, for an example, I started a project called dugwell.com. And if you go to dugwell.com, you will see, depending on when you go there, it offers different solutions, different products. People buy because they're affiliate products. For an example, I started a project called dugwell.com. And if you go to dugwell.com, you'll see, depending on when you go there, it offers different solutions, different products, and when people buy because they're affiliate products, I earn a commission. So this is your hub. But here's the big reason why you need a hub. Is a hub a website? Can I go to Squarespace to build myself a hub? Not really, all right? Is a hub a funnel? Hub is not a funnel, but it has a funnel. Hub is not just a website, but it has a website. Think of your hub as a place. If you think of the Atlantic Ocean and it's like an island in the ocean, no longer are you transactional in a little fishing boat trying to fish for a day. We own an island. There is commerce, there are ships coming and going, there are people coming in and going out, there's movement, there is activity. Now, if your hub is a brand, every brand has this feeling, a certain appeal that distinguishes you from any other company. And so now your affiliate marketing business will grow to that level. Think of NerdWallet, think of Expedia. All of these are affiliate marketing hubs. This is Expedia business model. Expedia is the skyscraper, metaphorically speaking. It has a lot of tenants, aka different products that they sell. When you buy an airline ticket or a hotel from Expedia or some kind of travel package from Expedia, they don't deliver the product. They're simply connecting to the company that does, and then that company pays Expedia in what's called an affiliate commission. So now, when you have a hub, this is your brand. So now you have something to get excited about. Now you have your own thing, stake in the ground. I am an entrepreneur. This is my brand. And now you think of yourself as like, hey, I'm the CEO of my own company, right? You might be at zero right now. Maybe you haven't made a dime yet and you just setting this up, but your entire approach in the invisible is already done. You got your LLC, you got your domain, you got everything, all the invisible aspects of it is done already. It's very, very, very important how to build a hub. These are the 5 steps for starting a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. And I know you may have questions like, where do I select offers, right? How do I promote that type of stuff? I promise you that I'm going to be putting those videos out on this channel. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that like button so that the algorithm can find you and notify you whenever I post a new video. I will be putting out other videos where to find the perfect product. I'm going to show you my formula. I don't do affiliate marketing networks necessarily. Amazon associates. My approach to that is totally different. I'm also going to show you how to promote. And now that you have a hub, and yes, I'll be giving you a review on the system that I'm using for building the hub. I'm going to show you everything. Hopefully this content serves you, but I want you to think differently. Start thinking big. Start thinking as an entrepreneur. Forget about anybody right now. If you're brand new to this affiliate marketing, if you're brand new in starting an affiliate business, and if you want to make real money, then you should subscribe to this channel because I will be showing you how not to depend on an affiliate link, but build your business through your hub. Again, subscribe and smash that like button. Until next time, friend, be blessed.